we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this brand of carbonated water. The name itself is French, meaning the cross. For reference, in France, in French, this is said as la croix, with a silent X at the end, as is common in French. La Croix, but being an American brand, it is to be said the way it is pronounced in the US, which is LaCroix, sparkling water, or water, I guess, LaCroix, water. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and brand names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.